Hello and welcome to Practice English in a Different Way. Do you know how to tell someone what another person said using reporting verbs? When we tell someone what another person said, we often use the verbs say, tell, or ask. These are called reporting verbs. However, we can also use other reporting verbs. Many reporting verbs can be followed by another verb in either an infinitive or an ing form. Reporting verb plus infinitive. Verbs like advise, agree, challenge, claim, decide, demand, encourage, invite, offer, persuade, promise, refuse, and remind can follow an infinitive pattern. Example: let's see. I'll have the risotto, please. He decided to have the risotto. I'll do the report by Friday for sure. She promised to do the report by Friday. It's not a good idea to write your passwords down. They advised us not to write our passwords down. We can also use an infinitive to report imperatives, with a reporting verb like tell, order, instruct, direct, or warn. Example: please wait for me in reception. The guide told us to wait for her in reception. Don't go in there. The police officer warned us not to go in there. Reporting verb plus ing form. Verbs like admit, apologize for, complain about, deny, insist on, mention, and suggest can follow an ing form pattern. Example: I broke the window. She admitted breaking the window. I'm really sorry I didn't get back to you sooner. He apologized for not getting back to me sooner. Let's take a break. She suggested taking a break. Please join us and subscribe. Please share this video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Practice English in a different way.